This personal trainer posts 14 videos every single week, and he films exactly 0 of them. No tripod setup, no repeating the same line 30 times, and no trying to squeeze filming into the 1 hour he has in between clients. Instead, he uses an AI avatar of himself, a simple script workflow, and of course, HeyGen. And he uses all of this to turn one idea into a fully completed social post in just minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you the full workflow step by step. We're going to create a fitness coach avatar, write short social video scripts, and turn those scripts into videos. And by the end, you'll have a repeatable system any small business owner can use to post consistently without having to be on camera all the time. And if tutorials like this help you out, make sure to subscribe, because this series is all about helping small businesses create more content without needing a full media team. But all right, here's the actual problem that most small business owners run into. Everybody's telling you to post more, but nobody talks about how hard that actually is when you're also the person running the business. So content becomes this thing that you know you should be doing, but it keeps getting pushed to the bottom of that list. And that's really why this workflow is useful. Instead of treating every video like a brand new filming session, we're going to build a repeatable workflow inside of HeyGen. For this example, we're going to be creating a fake personal trainer going by Coach Jake. The goal is simple. Coach Jake needs short social content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So now let's get started in HeyGen. Inside HeyGen from the main dashboard, click avatars in the left sidebar, then hit the create avatar button in the top right. This is the most important point of the entire workflow, because once the avatar is actually created, Coach Jake doesn't need to record a new video every time he wants to post. He can create the avatar once and use it over and over again for future uploads. But now HeyGen will ask whether you want a photo or a video avatar. For a small business owner like a personal trainer, I would really recommend the video avatar if you can. This option really helps the final result feel more natural and more personal. So for Coach Jake, we'll select the video avatar. You want the avatar to actually feel like the person behind the business and not like a random stock character or somebody pretending to be a personal trainer. You want it to feel like Coach Jake is the one actually giving the advice. So now for the video avatar, the footage itself doesn't have to be complicated. You'd want a clean video of yourself talking directly to the camera. You want to aim for around 2 minutes of footage filmed in landscape or portrait, and you definitely want it to be at least 1080p or higher. And of course, under the file size limit that HeyGen's going to show you. Simply, you want good lighting, clear audio, a simple background, and ideally you should look how you normally look when you're speaking to clients. For Coach Jake, this might mean wearing a gym shirt, standing or sitting in a clean space, and speaking in a way that feels friendly, direct, and confident. Just a trainer giving a useful tip to somebody who needs help. And once the footage is ready, drag it into the upload box or click to browse and select it. And after that, you create a name for your avatar and press create avatar. And then you'll be prompted with the voice options. You can either create an entirely new voice based off of a script, or you could use the one that it generated for you based off the video. And if you use the script option, all you have to do is press record and say the short script. So now your avatar is actually done being generated. And right after you upload it, you'll hit the consent step. HeyGen's gonna ask you to record a super short consent clip. This is just to confirm that the person who's being turned into the avatar actually gave consent to be used in it. And that's super important if you're doing that for yourself, a client, or just anybody on your team. You should only be creating avatars of people who know exactly how their likeness is going to be used. And now once you hit submit, HeyGen just processes the avatar in the background. This usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to maybe a little bit longer depending on the footage. But don't worry, because you'll get a notification when it's ready. And once it is done, you can open the avatar and actually preview it. And this is where I would definitely check a few things.
Does it look natural? Does the face feel accurate?
Does the speaking style match the brand? And would this feel believable if it showed up on somebody's feed?
Would this feel believable if it showed up on someone's feed?
For a personal trainer, I'd want the avatar to feel approachable but still confident. The viewer should feel like they're getting a quick tip from a real coach and not sound like a corporate video. And once it looks good, now we have the base asset for the entire workflow. And that's our first major step in this, because instead of Coach Jake needing to film himself 14 times a week, he just needs 14 scripts. So of course, let's write them. We need something for the avatar to say. And a quick note, this step actually happens outside of the avatar editor. Just open whatever AI writing tool that you prefer, whether that's ChatGPT or Claude, or even the script tools built into HeyGen. And we'll bring the finished script back into HeyGen in step 3. But this is where a lot of people can easily overcomplicate it. For short form social videos, you don't need a massive script. You need a clear hook, one useful idea, and a simple next step. That's literally it. So let's create a short fitness video for Coach Jake quick. And here's the prompt that we're gonna end up using. Write a 30-second TikTok script for a fitness coach explaining why most people failed their summer body goals. Hook in the first 3 seconds, 1 core insight, and 1 CTA to book a free assessment. And now this is what the AI spit out for us in our first run, and it sounds like AI, but that's not an issue because like I said, this is just our first run. And now personally, I want something a little more human sounding. Now the first version usually is a pretty good starting point, but I almost never use the first draft as is. The goal is to use the AI to get the actual structure and then edit it yourself until it sounds like a real real person. So let's change it to most people don't fail their summer body goals because they're lazy. They fail because their plan is too hard to repeat. And this already feels a lot stronger. It has a hook that sounds more human and gives the viewer a clear reason to keep watching. And now the middle can just stay simple. And of course, to finish it off, we can have a quick call to action at the end. I think something like this would fit really nicely into it. And then when the script feels right, just select it and copy it, and we'll paste it into HeyGen in the next step. For small business owners, this is huge because you could batch this process super easily. Coach Jake could sit down and generate 10 hooks at once, pick the best 5, and turn them into 5 different videos. For example, he could create videos like why your diet keeps failing by week 2, the biggest mistake men over 35 make when they're trying to lose weight, and why your workouts feel hard but your body isn't changing. Each one of those concepts can become an entire short form video. And because the avatar is already created, the production is much faster. But now let's actually take the script and turn it into a video. Inside HeyGen, there's actually a couple different ways you can do this. First, let's take a look at the manual route. From the dashboard, you would click create video, pick a layout, drop in your avatar, paste the script, and build each scene yourself. That gives you a ton of control, especially if you want to control every single scene. But for this workflow, I want to show a faster version, and that's using Video Agent. And you'll find Video Agent in the dashboard. Look for it on the sidebar or the main create menu. Video Agent is super helpful because instead of building every part of your video manually, you give HeyGen your goal and let it automatically assemble it for you. So here I'm going to paste a script that we just copied, then give it some direction. And now from here, all you have to do is press instructions and then just type in whatever you want it to keep in mind. For this, I just put some super basic instructions on formatting. And now we could choose the avatar that we just made for Coach Jake. In the avatar section, we're going to find and select the avatar that we made for Coach Jake. And then we'll make sure the voice and all the other settings are perfect. In the voice panel, pick a voice that matches Coach Jake, or just use the voice that's already attached to his avatar. That's the one I would recommend. And confirm the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 for shorts and reels. For a personal trainer, I'd want the delivery to feel energetic, but not like fake cringy hype. More like somebody who knows what they're talking about and is excited to help. And if you're struggling with the voice feeling too flat, you can swap it or adjust the speed here. If the pacing feels too slow, you can still tighten up the script. And if the video feels too generic, you can actually prompt it to be more specific. And if there's something about your voice that you still don't like, we just made an entire tutorial on how to make your AI voices sound as human as possible. And we'll leave the link for that down in the comments. But now once everything looks good, you can click generate and render the video. And the render usually just takes a couple of minutes. And when it's done, I would review it like any other piece of content. Does the hook hit quickly? Does the pacing feel right? Does the avatar look natural? Does the call to action feel clear? And of course, would this actually stop somebody from scrolling? If something feels off, that's not a problem. It's just a part of the process. You can go back and tighten the script, adjust the pacing, or just regenerate an entirely new version. And once you're happy with it, confirm the vertical 9:16 format, press the download button at the top, then press this and make sure all your settings are looking good, and then download the file. And that downloaded video is exactly what you upload directly to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And even with that review step, this whole thing from pasting the script to downloading the video just took a couple of minutes. Way faster than setting up a camera and filming from scratch every time. So now that we have the final Coach Jake video, let's take a look at it. If your diet only works when life is perfect, it's not a real plan. You need meals you can repeat with workouts you can actually stick to, and a target that doesn't depend on motivation every single day. Want help building that? Book a free assessment and I'll show you where to start. And there we go. That's the workflow. We created the avatar, we generated and edited the script, and we turned that script into a finished social video inside of HeyGen. The important thing here is that it's not just one single AI video. It is a highly repeatable content system. Once Coach Jake has his avatar, he can create a full week's worth of videos from just a few simple ideas. One video answering a common client question, one video breaking down a simple fitness mistake, and one video responding to an objection most people have when looking for a personal trainer. And that's how you go from I need to film more to I need to write a few good scripts. And I promise you that is a much easier problem to solve. So to recap, the workflow is just 3 simple steps. Create your avatar once and never again. Step 2, use AI to generate short specific scripts. And step 3, turn those scripts into polished videos inside of HeyGen, then export them and post them. For this example, we used a personal trainer, but the same workflow can work for almost any small business. A realtor can make market update videos, a dentist can answer common patient questions, a consultant can turn client FAQs into LinkedIn videos, and a local business owner can promote offers, events, or services without having to record every time. The biggest takeaway is that you don't have to film every day to show up every day. You just need a repeatable system. And once that system is built, creating content becomes way less about actually setting up a camera and way more about coming up with useful ideas that your audience will love. And of course, I'll also make sure to put all of the prompts I used in this video down in the description so you can copy them and test this exact workflow for your own business. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because this is just episode 1 of the SMB series. In episode 2, we're going to take this same idea and apply it to education educational creators. So if you're a course creator, a tutor, a coach, or a skill teacher, I'll show you how one lesson can become multiple pieces of content. A TikTok, a YouTube short, and a LinkedIn style video, all without having to refilm the lesson for every new platform. But as always, everybody, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.